Hello everyone and welcome back to Crop Supply. In this video I'm going to be giving you a broken down overview of Hayha bots. Before we get into today's video, if you're watching this on the YouTube channel, go ahead and check out our written overview on the Crop Supply website. If you're watching this on the Crop Supply website, then go ahead and check out the YouTube video here. If you're watching this on the embedded player, you can just hit the YouTube icon and it will take you to YouTube to go ahead and watch this video. So for this video I'm going to begin on the stats page and make my way all the way back to tasks. So on the stats page it shows your tasks and the proxies running at the moment, the recommended Shopify delay, the cookie harvester and the version number. So let's hit the cookie harvester here. This is where you can harvest cookies. So it says Footlocker, eBay, Champs and Foot Action. Those are the available places you can actually generate cookies from, as well as Easy Supply and Adidas. So if I hit Easy Supply, for example, I can hit generate cookies and we'll go ahead and begin the generation process. I can stop it as well and I can delete from site if I wish. Then the recap button shows me what's happening within Hayha at the moment. So I have 0 checkouts and 0 declines. This is based all on what your tasks are doing. So obviously nothing's happening at the moment, so it's 0-0. Then I have the Discord monitor. I can go ahead and integrate a Discord monitor into Hayha, so I can set up the monitor, start the monitor, reset a monitor login. I can put keywords in for the monitor, so Hayha will go ahead and look for certain keywords in that monitor. I can attach selected tasks to monitor and detach selected tasks from monitor. Then we have the current data uses, the session data uses, the key info which are blurred, the expiry and the type of key. Moving over to captures, this is where you can go ahead and set up a capture. So the top bar stays there all the time through all the pages, but let's go ahead and look at a capture here. So I can open the Supreme Capture Harvester and then the Supreme Capture Harvester goes ahead and pops up. It looks like this. I can hit YouTube to head to YouTube. I can put in a proxy and I can set the proxy for this harvester if I wish. And for the proxies page, I can go ahead and put in a proxy, which is what I'm going to go ahead and do now. I put in a proxy and I can go ahead and set the save list, new list and delete the list. If I hit new list here, I'm going to create a list name. So I'm going to call this video test and I can hit save list and I will go ahead and save it to that list. So if I hit default or if I hit video test, it will go through a variety of lists. Alternatively, I can go ahead and delete the actual list using this button here, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that. Moving over to settings, this is the settings part of Hayha. It shows the current version number, the Discord webhook. You can test that webhook and save it. Then we have the quick task profile. I can go ahead and select a profile to be utilized with the quick tasks. Then I have the settings here, which is 1 queue per profile, disable logging, expert mode, and I can also clear the logs for the bot as well. Then on the account section, I can go ahead and add accounts to be utilized with the bots. So for Shopify, I can go ahead and put in the site there, the site URL, the email and the password, and that will go ahead and generate an account. And then for sneakers, I can put the text verify client key, text verify client secret, the passwords. I can hit the generate account button, add from file, export to file, delete all accounts, and I can actually enable proxies enabled if I wish. So for the profile section, we have the add profile button, import profiles and export profiles. This is where we can go ahead and do edits for the profile. So I'm going to hit the add profile button. I'm going to go ahead and create a profile here. Let's go ahead and run through the normal information. So we have first name, last name, address line 1. I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out. Then we have city. I'm just going to put Discord, zip. I'm just going to put something random here like so. Then we have our state. I'm going to leave that empty. I'm just going to put something random. I'm just filling out random information here just for the purpose of this video. But essentially this is what you do if you want to create a test task. Alternatively, if you want to create a task that will actually work, then obviously fill out the appropriate information. I'm just going to quickly zoom through this and then cut back once I'm done. So I can go ahead and hit the add profile button, and as you guys can see, it says expiration year must be 4 digits. So let's go ahead and fix that real quick. Let's hit the add profile button. As you guys can see, the video test profile has been added. I can go ahead and edit it if I wish. I actually click it, all the details will appear here, and I can go ahead and change the save edits, delete profile. I can also randomize the profile as well, but I am good for now. So let's head over to the Ruffles section. This is where you can go and enter Ruffles. You put the Ruffle URL, the email, the full name and the shoe size, and it will go ahead and enter that raffle for you if you wish to utilize that. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is hit the add task button. A window is going to pop up. We have Supreme, others, Shopify, Splash, Footlocker, and it goes back to Supreme. I'm going to go ahead and create a Supreme task here. I've got an item that is in stock that I'm going to use for this video. So I've got the link. I'm going to set it to browser visible. I'm going to put the link in there. For size, I'm going to stick to any. For color, I want the red one. For category, we know it's accessories. I know it's going to pick it up from the link. I'm just showing you how all this works. For the profile, I'm going to hit video test. I'm going to keep that 1500, 1500. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to one task, and the proxy list is going to be none actually. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the add task button, and as you guys can see, it's going ahead and added the task. So this button will allow me to go ahead and edit parts of the task. This button will duplicate it. This button will go ahead and open the checkout URL, and this button will actually delete the task, which is what I just did. And then once I've gone ahead and created my task, I can hit the run button, and that will go ahead and run the task for me. So guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude the overview of Hayha bots. If you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and check out our written overview on the Cop Spy website. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace out.